Olá! Today we will focus on the word e, which means and. It may seem like a waste to do an entire video about such a straightforward and simple word, but I think that e is a very useful word and a very interesting part of. Just 1 second. Tô? Oh, really? But there are hundreds of videos about that. Everyone makes them. Even I made one a while ago. Yeah, but I don't understand how people still want to hear about that. Okay, okay. Ciao. So, apparently, this video is now about the differences between European Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese. Are European Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese two different languages? No, they aren't. That's why they are both called Portuguese. Are European Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese two different dialects of the same language? Well, we could say they are, in the same way American English and UK English can be seen as two dialects of the same language. And even though different dialects exist inside the same language. Also, European Portuguese isn't the best name for the variant of Portuguese spoken in Portugal because it is also the official language of several countries that aren't in Europe. I won't come up with a better name because I'm lazy, but if you have one, let me know. But it is wrong to say Brazilian Portuguese and European Portuguese are the same language, because I started to learn one or the other and I can't understand a thing of the other variant after 5 long months of hard studying. And also I have a Portuguese or Brazilian friend and she tells me they are entirely different. And she wouldn't lie to me, would she? And besides, what makes you think you know more about Portuguese and its variants than I do? Are European Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese mutually understandable? Yes, because, like I said, they are the same language. This doesn't mean that comprehension difficulties don't exist. A person without any experience with the other variant may have some trouble understanding some things. Um, this is more prevalent in Brazil than in Portugal because in Portugal, people usually are more exposed to Brazilian culture than the other way around. With time and practice, these difficulties will disappear. Then why do I keep seeing international websites written in the two variants? Isn't this necessary? No, it isn't, especially in writing. This happens because too many Portuguese and Brazilian people like to pretend they don't understand the language the way it is written on the other side of the Atlantic. Personally, I think this is a shame and I would like it to stop. If you know of a way to achieve this miracle, please tell me. I'd love to know. So there is no reason to choose learning one variant instead of the other or to pick reading material in one variant instead of the other. Feel free to read and learn whatever you like. Just remember that you are learning two ways to speak the same language. What will happen if I speak Brazilian Portuguese in Portugal to ask for a bottle of water, for example? Will I be chased by an angry mob? No, you won't. What will happen is that you will probably get a bottle of water, unless they are sold out. What are the main differences between the European and Brazilian variants of the Portuguese language? Here is a short and incomplete list. Brazilian Portuguese mostly uses você instead of tu. Como você se chama? Como te chamas? European Portuguese prefers the infinitive of verbs instead of the gerund for continuous actions. Eu estou a nadar. Eu estou nadando. When pronouns are the object of a verb, they come after the verb in European Portuguese, attached by a hyphen, and they come before the verb in Brazilian Portuguese. Eu dei-te presente. Eu te dei presente. Ele viu ontem. Ele o viu ontem. I also heard some words are different in European and Brazilian Portuguese. Is this true? Yes. Yes, it is. Some words are spelled differently, but they are basically the same, and some words are entirely different. These are mostly names of things that appeared after the independence of Brazil, when the two variants of the language started to evolve separately. Here is another short and incomplete list. And I won't be doing the accent. Autocarro, ônibus, telemóvel, celular, comboio, trem, frigorífico, geladeira, casa de banho, banheiro, gelado, sorvete, ecrã, tela. Could you please explain again why European Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese are two entirely different languages? I didn't get you the first time.